Good evening and welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss equisum problem. Very interesting one. Say given an array, find out whether it is an equisum array or not. Okay. An array is an equisum array when the following conditions met. When the following conditions are met. Okay. So condition one. There exists two indices A and B such that slice A minus 1 sum of elements of list A minus 1 is equal to sum of elements of A plus 1 to B minus 1 . Say array is ARR, okay? Sum of elements from index 0 to index A minus 1. Okay? Here, sum of elements of array with index A plus 1 to index B minus 1. Okay? Next is equal to sum of elements of subarray with index P plus 1 to the last element, that is n minus 1 element. Okay, and 0 is less than A, is less than B, is less than n. 0 is less than or equal to A and B less than or equal to N. Okay. Number 2, number of elements must be greater than 4. So take an example. 8 array contains elements 8, 5, 3, 2, 10, 6, 7, 9, 5. Okay. Look here. This is index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5, index 6, index 7, index 8, index 9. Okay. Now you take array with index 0 to 2. So what are the elements? 8, 5, 3. Okay. Next, you take subarray with indices 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Okay. So what do you get? 10 and 6. Okay. Now you take one more subarray with elements 5 to 6 to 0 to 2. Not, this is not 2 to 4. This is 4 to 5. Sorry, 4 to 5. Now this is 7 to 9. Okay. So what are the elements? you have 9, 5, 2. You can clearly see that sum of all subarrays is same. Okay, so this is 0 to 0 to a minus 1, and this is a plus 1 to b minus 1, and last one is b plus 1 to n minus 1. So what is a? A is, okay, so what is b? B is 6, right? And what is n? What is n or n minus 1? N minus 1 is, okay. So this array is called equisum array. Equisum are, suppose if there are only 5 elements. If there are only 5 elements, okay. Say 5, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. So this is also equisum. Why? This is one subarray. This is one subarray, and this is another subarray. Okay. If this is different one, then it is not equisum. So before you start, you should check whether number of elements are greater than 4 or not. Okay. So let us start writing a program, a simple one. So read array or give it in the program itself. How do you read it? You know how to read it. Say first number of elements are, say there are 10 elements. Okay. Or read number of elements as well. Read number of elements. Then read array A. How do you read it? Input dot split. Okay. How many elements are there? N elements are there. And then map these strings. Map these strings as integers. Okay. And then list it. So this is how you read input from outside. Okay. This is test case 1. Similarly, you can have many test cases. Now, say for I in range, so stop at n minus 3. Okay. For j in range, you start from I plus 2. Okay. Because first limit is, suppose there are only 5 elements, then 0th element and second element. So basically you should start from second element. Okay. I plus 2 to last element. Okay. So only one statement. If sum of the sublist 0 to I equal to sum of sublist I plus 1 to j is equal to sum of sublist j plus 1 to n. Okay. Sum of sublist j plus 1 to n. So let us check parentheses and square brackets. Seems to be okay. Then print. Actually, we need not print subarrays, but let us print subarrays for our interest. Subarray 1. Subarray starts from ith element is missing. J. Next, jth element is missing. We start from j plus 1 to n. So these are subarrays. Okay. Print indices as well. Print indices as well. So what are the indices? List. Here indices are 0 and I minus 1. Okay. What is the next one? Next one, I plus 1 to j minus 1. Okay. What is next one? Make it list or set. Is j plus 1 to n minus 1. Okay. Right. Done. So let us give inputs. Number of parentheses. So one more is required, it seems. So 10, 8, 5, 3, 2, 10, 6, 7, 9, 5. Okay. So 8, 5, 3, 10, 6, 9, 5, 2, 0 to 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, then 7, 8. Okay. So hope you understand it. Okay. This array is equisum array. Okay. Suppose you give input. Let us take a problem where the inputs are awesome. The inputs are different from the earlier one. So let them be 626 6262 3319 626 3319. How many are there? 8 inputs. Array size is 8. 62 62 3389. Okay. So in this case, the condition did not met. Okay. So hope you understand it. Thanks for watching. If you write a function, if this condition meets, you can return this value. You can return these values. Otherwise, you can return -1. Okay. Let us write a function for this. Define equisum. Sorry. Print equisum. Input is array and its size. Array is enough. Okay. Now let us define the function. Define the function equi equisum. Input is array. Okay. Let n is number of elements. Okay. In this if statement here, let us delete this. Say list one is 0, I -1. Okay. list 2 is I plus 1 to j minus 1. List 3 is j plus 1 to n minus 1. Okay. Now list is equal to list of list 1 comma list 2 comma or list 3. Okay. Now return list. Okay. So you cannot return it, then return minus 1. Okay. So this is how it works. So let us find out whether given array is equisum array or not. So once again, problem of indexing list 1, list 2, list 3, and this is list, and this is return list. So 10 elements, 8, 5, 3, 2, 10, 6, 7, 9, 5. List referenced before assignment. So this is not list, so it will be list, not a keyword. Okay, let us take capital L. So 10 inputs, 8, 5, 3, 2, 10, 6, 7, 9, 5, 2. Okay. So I hope you understand it. Next. So next one is 8 inputs, say 6, 2, 6, 2, double 3, say 8, 9. Okay. So it is an equipair, equisum list, and you got -1. So I hope you understand it. Very trickish. Many students could not do it when it was asked. So it is very simple. Okay. So hope you understand it. Hope you got benefited from it. And so you can watch out for many interesting problems in future. So please subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.